Welcome back to Market Pros. All right, so here we got Bitcoin on Bybit on the daily. All right, so man, the dump continues. We did drop down below 35. We did not get the bounce. It looks like we did not get the BART. First of all, we talked about it was either probably going to be a BART or another breakdown. I did not think it was going to be a reversal. The best chance scenario was that we came back up to this purple zone. Now we still could, but it's a smaller probability. So you did bounce right off that purple zone that we were talking about, and the daily has not closed below this line yet. We need to close above this line in order to even remotely think we're going to get a bounce, at least a bounce. If we close below this, I think you're going to watch this dump down even more, possibly to 33, and then get your bounce, possibly up to here, maybe 35, 200 after that. I mean, your momentum is still negative. It did increase a little bit, your negative momentum. As you can see, you are deeper into the bearish control zone. You are below the signal line. Let's see, no divergences to be aware of here. MACD, negative momentum is increasing on the histogram. You did get the retest and resumption down. Sharp curvature to the downside on your MACD. We need to get back above 35,896 in order to cross that EMA, that moving average signal line on the RSI. On the MACD, as long as we're below 36,575, it's going to continue falling. And yeah, to cross above the signal line, we need to get all the way to 39,644. Or 39,644. So doesn't seem very probable. It looks like we're going to continue falling. Your BBWP, so your vol is expanding. You are in the upper zone right now. So this is probably just the start of the move. Now we could get a bounce. Could get the bounce. I'm still waiting on a bounce. But if we close below this diagonal support right here, I don't think we're getting that bounce just yet. If that happens, let's move down to the 8-hour. So here in the 8-hour, we have closed below it, and all time frames under that. I would even think even the 12-hour. Nope, we have 20 seconds left. So it looks like we're going to close below it on the 12-hour and down. So on the 8-hour, okay, so you did enter the oversold region. So maybe this is the bounce. Maybe the bounce is coming up to 35K. But your negative momentum looks like it's trying to turn. I mean, you acted like you were going to lose your downside curvature and then kept it up. You're kind of flat on the histogram right now. So we could have a weak bounce. This could be a bear trap. We could get back into this. If we can close a daily back above this diagonal line and above 35,500, that would look pretty good. I would at least expect this to come back up to this purple region and possibly just the 21 at 36,800. Let's move down to the 4-hour. Okay, so on the 4-hour, we are an oversold. We are below the signal line. Looks like we might stay in oversold for a second at least. Like I said, looks like we're trying to get a bounce. We could go up to 35K, which is not much. It's a couple $100. That's where that diagonal support turned resistance is lying. Once again, okay, we already covered that. MACD, negative momentum is decreasing on the histogram. You are trying to curl back above. You got front ran. Didn't even get a retest. You got front ran right here, resumption down. We're going to find out whether this is a cross or not. If that is a cross, I would expect us to at least try to get somewhere in this region. Possibly have some sort of a fake out up to the 21, have another fake out, break it down. Vol is in the upper zone. BBWP is in the upper zone. Still expanding. Let's go down to the 1 hour. By the way, if you guys are liking this content, like and subscribe to the channel. Check out all our links in the description below. One being the Discord link. Yeah, definitely check out our Discord. Let's see. Bearish control zone. Your negative momentum is still present, but it looks like it did give you a break on your MACD, fresh cross to the upside. Negative or positive momentum did print 2 dark green bars on the histogram. Now, RSI, you need to stay above 34,518 in order to stay above that signal line. Continues rising on your MACD above 34,471. You need to stay above 34,241 in order to stay above that EMA signal line. To get above the zero line, you got to get all the way up to 38,600, far away. Vol is decreasing. You are contracting right now as your BBWP is in the lower zone. Still contracting. So this could be the bounce. Maybe up to the 21 even. Your 21 lies right where that diagonal support term resistance is. So that's going to be a major level of resistance. To be honest, it does not look good. I do think we're going lower. And I do think we are in a bear market. I think we've been in a bear market. A lot of people were in denial about this bear market. So was I at first. I didn't think we was going to top out there at 69. I thought we were going a little higher. Possibly to 75. That was my target, was 75. So not too far off. Oh, almost broke my microphone. But yeah. So, let me drink. Yeah, I mean, just stay nimble right now, because this could just be a bounce. I mean, it probably is just a bounce. So, yeah. Once again, if you guys like the video, like and subscribe. And everyone have a great morning, great afternoon, great evening. And I will see you in the next one.